What's up, guys? And we back, to another video, another bike riding video. I just got off of work. Well, when you see in this video, I probably am going to work, not just getting off of work. But yeah, pretty much just bike riding today, guess so. But yeah, pretty much though. We'll get it started though. Let's go. What's up, guys? Today gonna be a little riding today. Just riding today. Also, oh yeah, I wanted to talk about the surfing videos. I'm uploading surfing videos a lot too, cause I want to get back into surfing. I just want to say, riding video today. Pretty much. I just woke up, so I got right now we actually headed to work. I'm actually heading to work, but I got a long ass way to even get to my job, and I gotta be there at 10. It's 9 o'clock. So I gotta pretty much speed up a little bit. I don't know, those apartments or those hotels. The cars coming. Okay. I was kinda like, I couldn't really see, blind spot a little bit. Dirt bike. Let me slow down, because it is morning time. Look at that little duck. Come on, black car. You know what? They're right in front of you. You should have just went. I don't know why you stopped. Not today. Do not feel like going over bumps today. Especially I ain't eat nothing. I barely ate something today, bro. Yeah, I barely ate something today, so I don't feel like going over bumps. Definitely gotta get some road tires. That's my next tires to get, probably. Some road tires. Lunch. I see. Road tires and stuff. Oh yeah, and a new fork. Cause I think my fork is wiggly. It's not a good fork either. I want to get a different road tires and different fork. That's what I want to get for this bike. Oh, sorry, it was a stick, bro. Going over sticks and like, oh, kind of wet. Going over oh shit. Okay, hold on. Let me get out of this wetness before I start talking. I don't want the water be in my mouth. That's why I don't want to talk. Alright, okay, so going over sticks and stuff, bro. Going over stick and stuff. It be sound like my tire pop, so I look back real fast, but it don't. It just, the stick just crack. That's the pressure, and it sounds like a tire pop. That's why I be like, bro, did my tire just pop? In my head, but it did. my head for a little bit. So we are typical me. That was the typical me. I don't know why I did that. Ooh. I gotta get another back tire, like a back rubber tire. Honestly, I don't know how I'm gonna have to get one, but I get two. So windy today. Going down this way, y'all. My bike feel way higher than my bike up. No patience, bro. And they get mad at you if you don't speak a different language. If you want to speak English,